Feels like we're dancing in the
Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. Welcome to 11 Ngaire Street in Longburn. Not very often do we get a nice tidy 4-bedroom home like this for this price bracket. Inside we've got a good heat pump, fireplace, renovated bathroom, it's been wallpapered and painted throughout, and look at the size of this deck. That's enough from me, let's go through and have a look.
and now I take the lead. Lose control and be alive again. Lose control and stop the worrying. Baby, this is home. Baby, this is home.
As you can see, this is a perfect first home or investment. Give me a call, come to my next open home. Nathan Mooney, Property Brokers, Palmerston North.